Vaginas are truly amazing, and we gotta show our V's some daily love by taking good care and cleaning it the right way. And that's why today I'm sharing how washing your vagina with a TUSHY bidet is absolutely one of the best ways to love, clean, and care for your vagina. Welcome back, booties and buttholes. I'm Carrie, your TUSHY enthusiast and your better booty advocate, and today I'm a better vagina advocate. Well, before we get to the vages, the vulvas, and the bidets, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our new videos each week. First, let's recap on what a bidet is. That way we're all on the same page about what it does and how it works. All right, let's go. The TUSHY bidet attachment washes your bum and your vagina with a gentle stream of fresh, clean water. It easily attaches right in between your toilet bowl and your toilet seat, and it fits on almost any standard toilet. It's really great for cleaning up that dirty butthole after poops, even messy ones, and it leaves you feeling fresh and skid mark free. And yes, everyone does need a good clean bum, but sometimes you need a fresh, clean vagina even more. Great news, the TUSHY bidet is also designed to wash your V, and even better, yes, it gets better, it's also great for your wallet and our planet. To learn more about bidets, how to use it, and other reasons to wash with it, go check out some of the other videos linked in the description below. So you might be wondering why I'm telling you to wash your vagina with this stream of water. Okay, here's why. But warning, I am about to get super real with you. Fluids come out of the vagina all the time. Stuff doesn't only come out of it when you're on your period like some people think. In fact, the vagina actually expels discharge and fluids constantly to clean itself. Kind of like housekeeping for your reproductive system. It gets rid of dead cells and bacteria in order to keep your vagina clean and free of infections. So although you might think this discharge is kind of gross or annoying, your vagina is actually doing you a favor. So be a little grateful and give your V some extra love and care. So discharge is different for everyone, but no matter what, using a TUSHY bidet can help wash off any excess discharge or gunk that's near or outside your vagina. Oh, and it absolutely helps freshen things up to get rid of any odor. The Bloom OBGYN practice actually stated, maintaining a clean vagina means regular, gentle bathing on the outside of the vagina. Water is the best cleanser, possibly with a mild soap. They also recommend washing with warm water. If you use too many scented soaps or are douching a lot, you can throw off the natural pH balance and strip away any natural and necessary bacteria. And then this can cause infections and irritation, and we do not want that. And that's why the TUSHY bidet is so perfect for cleaning the vulva and outside your vagina. It's just neutral water. And if you want to get fancy with it, you can use the TUSHY Spa, which gives you the option to wash with both warm and cool water. Just a quick and important reminder, you never want to wash the inside of your vagina ever. Whether you use a soap, water, or a bidet to clean it, you should never put any of those things actually up inside your vagina. Cleaning the inside can actually make things worse, like cause more irritation, throw off your natural pH, or cause infections, because you're really disturbing the natural balance that's already there. All this cleaning talk is only meant for the outside of the vagina and vulva, and just with water, because like we learned a little bit earlier, your vagina can clean itself and it does not need any assistance from us. We want to make sure that we're taking care of our vaginas every day, because life, working out, sweating, sex, and a lot of different things can throw it off. And that's why cleaning your V with the refreshing TUSHY bidet every day is one of the easiest and most effective ways to make sure that everything is clean, comfy, and healthy. So there are two ways that you can wash your vulva and your vagina with the bidet. So number one, you can actually move the nozzle adjuster on the bidet to shift the spray closer to your vagina. And number two, you can tilt your bum slightly backwards to make sure that the spray hits your intended area. So I do want to address the myth that poop will get into your vagina if you wash with the bidet. No, that is completely false. So the curved spray of the bidet actually works like a reverse waterfall, and it pulls down the dirty bits so nothing from your butthole ever gets near your vagina. So in your daily life, every single time you pee, poop, or just want to freshen up, sit down, spray, and pat dry to make sure that your vagina stays healthy and clean. And if you want to learn more about how to pat dry after using a bidet, go check out our other video linked in the description. Not only is the TUSHY bidet great for daily life, but it's also great for cleaning up during your period and before and after sex. Go check out our other video on that topic next week. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. So although the bidet is mainly used to clean buttholes after poops, you know now how helpful it is to clean your vagina. And just to feel fresh and clean and confident down there is a really great feeling, especially when you have Tushy to do the hard work for you. If you want to learn more about the Tushy Classic, Spa, or any of our other Tushy products like bum towels, a pat dry, or you got some bamboo toilet paper here, head over to HelloTushy.com/vlog. And if you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell. You don't want to miss out on any of the poop scoop. Also, I'm inviting you to join our community hosted on Facebook groups. It's called the Tushy Movement, where we discuss all things gut, butt, poop health, bathroom sustainability, and of course, all things Tushy. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope to see you in the group. Happy pooping, everyone. See you next time.